I work for Lynchburg Water Resources. Today we're going to learn about rain barrels. This is a recycled pickle barrel and we're going to turn it into a rain collection device. Let's check out the materials we'll need. All the pieces that we'll need for our rain barrel are seen here. 3 washers, 2 lock nuts, 2 hose bibs, 1 that opens and closes, and some caulk to help keep everything sealed. Lynchburg Water Resources provides all of these at our workshops, but if you're building one at home or on your own, there are some great kits out there which we'll be happy to recommend to you if you contact us. Step 1 is to have a vicious guard dog for your rain barrel. Second step is to decide where you're going to drill your 2 holes. One hole will go close to the bottom of the barrel where your hose bib or spigot will be. The second hole needs to be drilled near the top of the barrel and will be where we put the outfall hose bib. This hole needs to be on the side of the barrel that goes away from your house. As the barrel fills up, the overflow hole will help to prevent water from pooling close to your house and causing damage to your foundation. Most people add a hose to this outfall so the water can be directed away from your house. Now we're going to go ahead and drill the holes. Go ahead and take your first washer and ring it with caulk. Then place it over the hole for the hose bib. I've pre-threaded the hole to make sure that my hose bib will sit nice and tight over my washer. Now is the best part. I'm going to take the washer with caulk on it and a lock nut and crawl inside the rain barrel. Don't mind the remnant pickle smell, that's good for your garden. Once inside, I'll place the washer with the caulk towards the rain barrel around the spigot base. Then, screw the lock nut on top of that. It needs to be tight, but not super tight. We're ready to install the outfall hose bib. Thread it with the hose, or short threaded side, outward. You might need a wrench to get the hose bib all the way in. It doesn't need a washer on the outside, but I'm going to put a washer and a lock nut on the inside. Should look something like this. The final step is to figure out how you are going to connect your rain barrel to your gutter. Depending on your connection, you may not want to add a screen to your rain barrel and instead keep the plastic top and cut a hole or add an outfall to the other side. Again, it depends on what kind of a connection you want. The screen helps prevent debris from getting into your rain barrel and mosquitoes from getting out. Make sure you keep your screen clean to prevent damage. Alrighty, and that's how you do it. If you make a rain barrel at home, we'd love to see a picture of it. Feel free to reach out to us at Lynchburg Water Resources and have a great day.